for the third straight week in a row. First kick. Nice, fatty. Back up and get in the spot. A nice dry spot over there. We still got a goose. Whoa, whoa. Yay! I got double ups. If I can learn to talk. Pain in the butt again. Alright, just get dads off the hook. And line. Going out. And I say no. You must come back. Anchor. Quickly, no. Oh, mine's got a double hook too. When I took Dad's off, it had a double hook. So these ones have been caught before and gotten away. Busted someone's line. Someone used too light a line. Because mine's got a double hook and a swivel and a quick connect. Huh. Yay! We won't caught one! Well, if we get chased out, it's all good. Grizzly, away from the water. Go find your spot. Stay. Sit. Stay. Oh, Dad's being played with again, so I better hurry up and get mine off the stage. Yeah, okay. Let's get another one. Grizzly, no. Oh, this is not by the nose. The worm was by the nose. Oh, no, it's right here. Popped the hook already. Yay! 1-2 for Dad. And I'm a-running. Grizzly, go find your spot. Go find your spot. Sit. No. Said sit. Sit. Stay. Yay! TFA number 2, man. Oh, you're just teasing me. Dude. That's alright, we're having fun anyway. Don't know how well you can see, but it does work when you stand here and yell, yeah, fisher, 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 fisher. And it starts taking off. Yeah, it does work. This just sounds bad. Come here, fishy, fishy. Grizzly, no. No. What? You need to taste them all? Yeah? Fishy, fishy. Boom. Yay! TFA. Well, they got number 3. And that evil, icky-ass white crab sure is picked up. Oh, it might be the biggest of the night. Grizzly, no! Pick your spot. Now! Go! Where's that goose line? He disappeared again. But he looks kind of broken when he swam through. Oh, the biggest of the night! Oh, we got double ups! Go find your spot! Stop being a brat or I'll leave you in the car. Now! No! I don't need you getting wet. Dad's got a big... Oh, he's got a jumper! No! Yay! Double up! Haha! Mine's bigger. Yay! We both got one! And lost this spirit! Uh-oh. Yay! I got my hands full. A TFA! We're tied up again. I think that goose is broken. It swims funny. And it sure is asking for it to be a alligator snack. That's the second time it swam across in front of me. What, do you want goose for dinner? Giant alligator boob? He's watching him. And he has to lick almost every single fish. Such a boob. If you want to see the whole fishing thing, it's on Wednesday. Yes, I know, that fish jumped right in front of you, huh? So, here, goosey, goosey, goosey. Well, this is Dad's last of the night. The biggest of the night. And well, I see you fighting around with Dad. Stuck right under the eye. I might have the last of the night, too. Maybe. That was screwing with me. I don't know, we'll see in a minute. Yay! That's might be the biggest of the night! Woo! And we might be chased home early. Alright, time to see the last of the night. Thought you said I got one. There's nothing there! He's in me again, you little bugger! Go over! Well, just got the last one for the night. And put it right on the edge, just that easy. But that's pretty much the last one for tonight. Almost as big as this. It's not a tiny one, that's for sure. But I think we're going to be chased home by that evil, icky-ass white crap again. Unfortunately, because all the mountains around us are disappearing. And the last time that happened, it took us 9 hours to get home when it should have only been like 2.5-ish on a good day. So, I think that's going to call it for trip number 45, I believe. If you want to see the full trip, check out the previous Friday's video. So I think we're going to head for the barn, or more like run for the barn, because the snow has picked up and everything. So, what do you think? Should we go home? No, I want more fish. They're jumping around me now. Should we go home? Should we go home? I'm sure you're hungry. You didn't get to have lunch today. But thanks for watching. See you later.